Hello and welcome to this webinar where we talk about Lunawood Thermowood decking. My name is Maija Masalin and I'm responsible for Lunawood marketing and products. In this webinar, we will go through why Lunawood is an outstanding decking material, what kind of decking products do we have in our portfolio, and how to install and maintain Lunawood decking in order to make it look beautiful and long-lasting. Lunawood Thermowood is a premium wood material for versatile exterior and interior applications in all climates. We are offering a sustainable option for especially tropical hardwoods on decorative surfaces. The quality of our product starts by selecting the best certified Nordic pine and spruce raw material, which we then enhance to make it more durable and long-lasting. The thermo treatment is done by using only heat and steam. No chemicals are added. For our decking, Lunawood Thermowood is an excellent material choice due to its stability and durability. Our thermowood does not absorb any moisture, so it doesn't shrink or swell or twist or bend, meaning that the distance between the decking boards will remain unchanged and there will be no variation between the gaps even in the long run. Minimal thermal expansion allows small gaps in the extensions, and you don't really have to worry about in which kind of temperature or humidity the installation takes place, since the weather conditions do not affect the dimensional stability of Lunawood Thermowood. Lunawood Thermowood works well in every climate. Lunawood decking products are suitable for situations in which the wood is above ground and exposed to weather. Lunawood Thermowood is not recommended for use in direct contact with the ground. Lunawood outdoor products with thermo D treatment are classified as Durability Class 2. They carry a British research establishment endorsement stating an expected service life of 30 years when used as a decking. Durability and color of the product are consistent throughout the piece. Improved insulation properties make Lunawood an excellent choice for decking, since it balances the changes of heat and cold and makes it pleasant to walk, even with barefoot. Lunawood decking is resin-free, since resin is removed already during the thermal treatment process. As the result, wood does not secrete resin even in high temperatures. Our Lunawood Thermowood decking is an ecological and completely safe solution for creating the finishing touch to any outdoor surrounding. Only heat and steam are used during our production process. No chemicals are added, meaning that there are no toxins in the product which could leach to the nature or cause harm for kids or house pets. Our raw material comes from sustainably managed Nordic forests, which gives the finishing touch to our product's sustainability. Lunawood Thermowood decking portfolio offers a large variety of both pine and spruce decking products, and also different dimensions of decking boards with minimum thickness of 26 millimeters. We have also different profiles available. Luna SHB planed around boards come in different widths and they need to be screwed on top. Luna SHB PROFIX 2 profile with smooth planed surface and LunaDeck 2 PROFIX 2 profile with modern grooved surface are available, for example, as 117 and 140 millimeters wide. LunaDeck system is a product family that includes 3 decking boards with the same thickness but in 3 different widths of 68, 140 and 185 millimeters. With LunaDeck system, you can create an interesting visual outlook and uneven patterns by installing the 3 widths in a different order. For fixing these LunaDeck system boards, PROFIX 3 fixing system is used. Our decking products are also available as factory oiled. 2 coats of pigmented wood oil are applied in a controlled factory environment, creating an even coating and consistent color tone. The product is ready to be installed and does not require immediate coating to secure the color preservation. Now we are going to talk more about how to install and maintain Lunawood decking. We always recommend using stainless steel screws in order to have longer lifetime and no appearance of rust. Lunawood materials may not be in direct contact with the ground or in a permanently wetted situation. The understructure, a subframe, should be made from suitable material with the necessary durability. There needs to be sufficient ventilation and airflow underneath the decking so that the underconstruction stays dry and does not affect the thermowood. We do not recommend to fully seal the sides of the terrace with any kind of material in order to secure the sufficient airflow. Joist spacing is dependent of the thickness of the decking boards. For the decking boards with the thickness of 26 mm, we recommend the 450 mm joist spacing. And for the decking boards with a thickness of minimum 32 mm, we recommend the joist spacing of 600 mm. We recommend to use double joists under the decking extensions. For the extensions, leave minimum 5 mm gap between the ends of the boards. Although thermowood is thermally treated throughout the wood, we recommend that the boards are end sealed after cutting with a clear, water-resistant surface treatment. And also to further protect Lunawood decking, we require it to be finished with minimum water-based surface treatment prior or after to the installation. Please look at the more detailed installation instructions at www.lunawood.com. Typical for our decking products is the V-shaped groove on the side of the product, which is the groove in which to place PROFIX hidden fixing clip. Lunawood's unique PROFIX hidden fixing clip enables quick and easy installation of the deck and creates a clean and elegant appearance without visible screws. With PROFIX hidden fixing, you get consistent 6 mm gap between the boards. PROFIX 2 Plus fixing system keeps decking boards drier due to the 7 mm gap between the boards and joists. Better air ventilation enables longer lifespan of the decking. We always recommend to use our decking products as the hard side as using side to prevent the delamination and surface cracking of the decking. Except the thermal spruce products, which can be used as the sap side as using side due to the large proportion of hardwood compared to pine. With proper care and maintenance, you can extend the life of your Lunawood Thermowood decking and keep the decking in prime condition. The surface treatment of the terrace extends the life and improves the use of the terrace, so we always recommend the surface treatment. With brown pigmented oil, it is possible to preserve the brown tint of the wood. Otherwise, the thermowood decking will turn grey in time because of the UV light. The decking is recommended to be treated immediately after installation so that the surface is protected from moisture and dirt, and no separate cleaning is required before the treatment. The maintenance treatment should be done every 2 years or more often depending on the climate conditions and the use of the terrace. Air impurities such as soot or pollen in the air sometimes might cause small black spots on the surface of the thermowood decking. If there have appeared black spots on the surface of the decking, you can get rid of them. In some cases, strong decking base like iron particles combined with water can also color the wood. You can prevent black spots by using pigmented decking oil right after installation. The black spots will mostly disappear over time as the boards turn grey if the decking is left untreated. In order to remove the black spots on the decking, you should first brush all loose material away from the surface and then wash and clean the surface by using a spot removal liquid. Rinse well and let the surface dry. If the surface has a clear film after washing, remove it before continuing. You can then grind the surface of the decking using a fine sandpaper if needed. Finally, oil the decking 1 or 2 times with pigmented decking oil using a thin brush or sponge. Lunawood Thermowood is an outstanding decking material due to its dimensional stability and durability. It is an ecological and safe choice for any outdoor surrounding, and with proper installation and maintenance, it is a long-lasting solution for every climate. Follow us in social media or subscribe to our newsletter. And if you have anything to ask, please do not hesitate to contact us at info@lunawood.com.